First thing you're going to do is remove the motor cover, which is this right here. You take your lift up and out.
And some of them do have a little screw. You just unscrew it.
Next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at all the cam settings, okay, which are right in here. And to change the shims out, you want to have the cam setting in number 1. Okay, these are already set into number 1. And if you look at this, you have one notch all by itself right here, and then you have 2 notches together. What you want is this arm and this notch to remove the shims. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go up inside, and the shim is on the side right here, this metal shim. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand and you're going to lift up and pull out towards you. Okay? And then to reinsert it, if you look inside, there's a little rail that goes from the front to the back that's permanently on the machine. What you want to do is you want to take the shim and put it on the side, above it, push back, and drop down into place on that one.